Welcome, and in this video I'm going to go through the process of removing and installing the driver's side door card. Firstly, put the window down. Pull up on the side or front on the master power window switch, then lift from the front to remove it. It hooks on the back, so don't lift from there. Then remove the two electrical connectors by pushing in the tab and pulling. Unclip the screw cap with a flathead screwdriver and remove the screw. Then pull out the door grab piece. Unclip the two side screw caps with a flathead screwdriver and then remove the screws. Remove the three bottom screws. Unclip the door handle surround. It's a bit tricky and you may need to use a bit of force, but don't be too aggressive. Before we remove the door card, it's worth mentioning that there are 5 clips that hold it in place, which I've highlighted. I do have some broken clips, so my door card did come off a bit easier, and I've included the part number in the description if you're also interested in replacing yours. Unclip the door card by placing your fingers under it and pull. You shouldn't need a lot of force for this. Lift up on the door card to unhook it from the top and pull it away. Now let's install the door card. Hook the top part of the door card over the frame and push down. Be careful of the triangle plastic piece on the back of the side mirror, as it's easier to scratch it. Look through the gap of the door card and the door itself to see if the clips line up with the holes, then firmly push into place. Be mindful of the electrical connectors for the master power window switch. If they're hanging down, they can get stuck between the door card and the speaker. Install the 3 bottom screws. Clip the door handle surround into place. Install the door grab piece, the screw and the cap. Install the 2 side screws and then clip down the caps. Pull out the electrical connectors for the master power window switch and plug them in. Then, place the switch in from the back first and clip the front down. Bring the window back up and the job is done.